What's up guys, Nate here. I wanted to show you a little side project I've been working on for the truck. This is a hitch lift adapter for a motorcycle. I'm gonna have a little platform across the bottom here. The motorcycle will sit on this way, front tire over there, rear tire over here, and it'll bolt right down to the frame. And I've got this platform here is for a jack, and the other lifting point is up off of this T here. I was thinking about doing a bottle jack, but it's a pain in the butt to sit there and pump it all the time. So I went to Harbor Freight and I grabbed a little scissor jack, which actually works pretty good and plenty of capacity. So that scissor jack is gonna sit right in here, and I can take a little impact gun, get these two nuts on the end and raise and lower it. Or I might put my 12-ton hydraulic bottle jack in there that's air over hydraulic if it'll fit, and then I can just use the air off the front bumper to push a button and jack the bike up and down. So basically, let's see if I can show you, if my arms are long enough, how this works, but there'll be a platform that attaches down here to this side, right? And then these basically, oh hey, widescreen, look at that. These basically do this. And you can see that arm in the background move, locks up like this. I'll have a pin in here that will thread into a threaded boss on both sides. That will lock this in the up position, and that brings the platform up to here. This platform for the jack pivots. It's got little cutouts there for that bolt, and basically will sit in about that position. So the motorcycle's up, it'll be hanging at this level. So this gives me about a 31-inch lift, and I'm gonna put a front receiver on the 6x6. This is how that goes down, right? Platform there at the bottom, and then you just basically pick the bike up and off. This table's a little higher than my receiver's gonna be, so I think if I did the math right, I should be able to just roll the bike right up, set it on top of there, crank down on the foot pegs, lift it up, put that pin in, and should be all good to go. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions on this stuff, let me know. I'm gonna remake all this and make this shank a little longer so my receiver tube doesn't stick so far out of the bumper. And I'll do this out of a little thicker wall than these. This is all 3/16 wall. I'll probably go up to 1/4 just to make it a little extra sturdier. And that's about it. So anyway, any questions, let me know. Otherwise, we'll see you guys on the next round. Later.